How to make a basic beeswax hand cream. This recipe uses a ratio of 1 part beeswax, 3 parts mineral oil, 2 parts distilled water, and 0.06 parts borax by volume. For batch using 1 cup of wax, you will need 3 cups of oil, 2 cups of water, and just under 1 tablespoon of borax. First, you'll want to grate your beeswax so it can be measured more easily. Then you can add your wax to a double boiler, as well as the mineral oil. While the wax mixture is melting, heat the water, pour it over the borax, and stir the mixture to dissolve the powder. Remove the wax and oil mixture from the heat. Slowly pour the water mixture into the double boiler while stirring vigorously. Continue stirring until the mixture has cooled and is creamy in texture. At this point, various scents and other additions can be added. The hand cream can be stored in an airtight container for several weeks.